What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Cards of Greed TCG. As always, my name is Zeus, and today we'll be cracking open a display box of Special Edition Chaos Impact. But before we get into opening the box, I want you to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when all the latest videos drop. Alright, let's get opening up this display box for y'all. Let's try and get that. There we go. Got it propped up now. And for those of you that don't know what makes these special edition is that instead of just being one pack like the usual display boxes are, these special editions comes in these little mini boxes which contain 3 packs of the set, which is Chaos Impact, and then it comes with 2 of 4 super rare variant cards. And for those for the 4 super rares that we have a chance of getting as a promo card are Scrap Wyvern, Battle Shogun of the Sixth Samurai, Dragon Maid Send Off, or Armory Call. As for what's in the packs themselves that are the main chase cards, is what we're looking for are the Starlights of IP Masquerena, Unchained Twin Aruha, Gorgon the Mistress of the Evil Eye, Master of the Evil Eye, something like that, and Salmon Great Pyro Phoenix. Those are the Starlight rares and the chase cards of this set. Alright, let's push that to the side and open up our first box. Oh, I actually see 2 promos. So we get 2 promos. So 2 super rares. So it's going to be 2 of the super rares, one of them in the back right there. So we'll actually get 2 per of these boxes. So that's what? There's 8 on each side, so that's 16. So we have a high chance of getting all 4. Alright. Let's start with the promos first. Let's see what we got. First one is Armory Call, which is, if you don't know, add 1 equip spell from your deck to your hand, then you can equip it to the appropriate monster you control. You can only activate it once per turn, and I see the second one, and it looks like it, yep, Battle Shogun of the Sixth Samurai. Alright, those were our first 2 promos. Now let's get to the packs. Right. Oh yeah. Gotta pray, like always, to 3 Egyptian God cards, to Kaiba, to Yugi, alright, to the Pharaoh himself, Atem, and then give a little slap for good luck. Know what it is? Sniff cards. Don't do drugs, kids. Alright. I don't know how the set is laid out, so we'll go in blind first. First is Marincess Cascade, Watt Train, Gladiator Beast Comeback, Action Magic Double Back Banking. Oh, Prime Mineral Kong, so it is the usual four. It's right in the middle, so we got a super rare for our first. Gladiator Beast Sagittary. Princess Crown Tail. Astraghouls. Dances with the Beast. Alright. So it was the fourth card in the middle. Yeah. So we'll go forward to the front like usual. Forward to the front because we never front here. One, two, three, forward to the front because we never front. Gladiator Beast Vesperus. World Legacy World Key. Arrow Mage Marjoram. Soul Levy. Cauldron of the Old Man. Watt Train. Another Marincess Cascade. Gladiator Beast Comeback. Ooh, we got Ultra Unchained Abomination. That's nice. Especially since Unchained Abomination is a good Link monster for it. Link 4 for any deck, honestly. Since when a card gets destroyed, you can destroy another card on the field. Excuse me. Alright, on to that third pack. And like I said, forward to the front because we never front here. Yeah. World Legacy, World Key, Gladiator, Nalmashia, another Arrow Mage Marjoram, Desert Locust, Prime Mineral Manstrong, Solomon Great Burning Shell, Suppression Collider. Oh, there's we got a Super Dream Mirror Hypnagogia and a rare Jelly Cannon. I did for to front there. She might have messed up on that one. Alright. So we got one Ultra, two Super Rares from those three packs, and our two Super Rare promos right there. Get that out of the way. Put the commons and the rares up here. And then all our foils right there. Alright, time for the second box. Packs. Yep, two promos. Let's see if we get the other two as two super rares as our promos this time. Alright, let's start with the bag first. It is Scrap Wyvern, so we got three of the four super rares promos now. Let's see if we can get the fourth. And yes, we can. So we got Dragon, all four promo cards now. So we'll just be getting doubles or triple of, or full play sets of it. Alright. Time to open up the packs. Alright, forward to the front because we never front here. Spiritual Entanglement is what we're starting off with first. Marincess Crown Tail. Let me zoom in a bit for you guys. Astraghouls. Dances with the Beast. Abominable Chamber of the Unchained, which is a good trap card with the Unchained, honestly. Because if an Unchained monster is special summon from hand or graveyard, you can special... Wait, never mind. This is the wrong one. I was thinking of the Unchained spell. Never mind. But that one's still good if you want, because it helps recur the Unchained monsters. DD Patrol Plane, Cauldron of the Old Man, another Marincess Cascade, and what is our foil card for this one? Phantasos, the Dream Mirror Foe. Pretty dope artwork, though. Never seen this card, though, honestly. That's not rare for me since just getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh! In 2020. So I missed this set early on. Oh wait, what am I doing? We got 2 more packs right here still for us. And here we go again. Forward to the front because we never front here. Starting off World Legacy Key. Okay, so forgot the rare back there still. So technically, Brutal Beast Battle is first card right there. World Legacy World Key. Aramage Marjoram. Soul Levy. Desert Locust. Another Action Magic Double Banking. Prime Mineral Manstrong. Summon Great Burning Shell, and our foil is a trap card from what we can see. It is Peaceful Burial. So 2 super rares from that box so far. Let's hope we can at least pull a Starlight from this set. If we pull a Starlight, that's a major win right there for us. Major win. Especially if it's that IP Masquerena. Because you know how it is with Yu-Gi-Oh! Got that waifu tax on IP. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front because we never front here. Starting off with Jelly Cannon. Galactic Spiral Dragon. Dino Wrestler Marshall Ampello. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. World Legacy World Key. Watt Train. Gladiator Beast Combat. Infinite Track Brutal Dozer. Action Magic Double Banking. And for our foil card, not a Starlight rare unfortunately, but it is a Phantasos, the Dream Mirror Friend. So we got the Phantasos Dream Mirror Foe and Mirror Friend from that box. Alright, on to the third box of this, of the right side. Oh, kind of spoiled the first of the promo cards right there. My bad. But so we know we got an Armory Call. What's the second one gonna be? Another 6-Sam Shogun. Let's see. Yep, another 6-Sam Shogun. So I'm assuming the 6-Sam and Armory Call are always together along with the, what is it? Dragon's Maid Send Off and Scrap Wyvern. Which makes sense since it's a dragon. Well, technically it's Dragon Maid support, but Scrap Wyvern is still a dragon typing. Alright, let's get to our packs. More to the front because we never front here. Starting off with Gladiator Beast Vespicis. I think that's how you pronounce it. The World Legacy. Luna the Dark Spirit. Dino Wrestler Marshall Amplio. Suppression Collider. Dream Mirror of Chaos. Choban Armored Dragon. Abominable Chamber of the Unchained. And our foil for this one is Dream Mirror Phantasms. So we got a super rare for the first pack. And then there's our bulk common and rares right there. Let's see what this second pack got for us. As always, 4 to the front because we never front here. And let's just pretend that didn't happen again. Nah, just kidding. Spiritual Entanglement is our rare for this pack. Aeromage Marjoram, The World Reassembly, The World Legacy, Escape of the Unchained, Watt Train, Princess Sea Angel, Choban Armored Dragon, and our foil is another super rare Prime Mineral Congrate. Not what we're looking for. Like I said, the 4 cards we're looking for are those Starlight rares of IP, Phoenix, Gorgon, and I'm trying to remember who the 4th one is. No, I just said. Well, it's kind of late for me. It's just a little over 3 a.m. right now. That when I'm filming this. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front because we never front here. Gladiator Beast Atorix is our first. Seraphim Papillon. Astraghouls. Princess Snow. Aeromage Laurel. Mimikuro. Brangier. And Princess Cascade, and our foil card is Wailing of the Unchained Souls. This was the one that I was thinking of earlier. If you link summon an Unchained Link monster, you can target one card on field and destroy it, which is really good with Abomination, because when a card is destroyed on the field, you can destroy another card off of Abomination's effect. So you get a 2-card destruction combo right there. Which I did like running those 2 cards in my Dragon Link deck, since I was able to destroy a lot of things. Even my own monsters, since, rockets, they like to destroy themselves for a favorable hand and everything. Packs there. And then the promos. Got Send Off and Wyvern again, as expected. Let's see what our packs have in store for us this time. Alright, 4 to the front because we never front here. Make that 5 to the front. Glide Beast Vespicis is what's starting on us off. Dino Wrestler Marshall Amplio, World Legacy World Key. Bayonetter the Baneful Barrel. Marincess Battle Ocean. Cauldron of the Old Man. Marincess Cascade. Watt Train, and our foil is Marincess Crystal Heart. Alright, let's see what the second pack is. Again, try to speed through the commons for us right now so we can get to those foils. Let's see. 4 to the front because we never front here. Yep. Spiritual Entanglement. Escape of the Unchained. Prometeor the Burning Star. World Legacy. Man Strong. Chamber. Patrol Plane. Cauldron. And we got Galaxy Satellite Dragon as our super rare for that pack. Or as our foil for that pack anyways. Four to the front because we never front here. Brutal Beast Battle. Marincess Wonderheart. Desert Locust. Bonds Alone. Action Magic Full Turn. Gladiator Beast Combat. Brutal Dozer. Double Banking. Ooh, we got a secret this time. Our first secret that we pulled so far, which is Unchained Soul of the Disaster. That looks really nice in the light, not gonna lie. And it looks nice right there for you guys. So, but still not the cards we're looking for, unfortunately. Let's hope the next 5 boxes bring us luck with those cards that we want. Since we haven't pulled anything really that good since the Ghost from the Past video with Ghost Rare. If you haven't checked that video out yet, you should definitely check it out. Yeah, you definitely should. That opening was insane. Ooh, there we go. The 3 packs right there, and our Armory Call and Shogun this time. So we got full playset of those. Yeah. Alright. Time for the packs. What we really care about. Not the promos anymore since we've seen all 4. Alright. Blessed Winds is what started us off. World Reassembly, World Legacy, Escape of the Unchained, Burning Star, Man Strong, Collider, Crusher Run, and Dream Mirror Hypnagogia again is our foil for that pack. Forward to the front because we never front here, as always. Nebula Dragon starts us off. Escape of the Unchained, Burning Star, World Legacy, a volatile mega Kyrelia? Something, whatever. Crusher Ron, Brutal Dozer, Man Strong, and our foil is Gladiator Rejection. So we've gotten 2 ultras, 1 secret, and the rest all super rares so far. Right. Last pack of that of the right side. So we got what? 12 more packs left to open up. Vespasis, Locust, Alone. Full Turn, Namasha, Train, Combat, Dozer, and Gladiator Beast Domitanus. Another super. Alright, that was the last of those. The last pack of the right side, on to the left. Oh, my knee. Three packs, the 2 promos. 2 promos. I'm guessing it's the Send Off and Wyvern again. Nope, it's Call and Wyvern this time. Huh. First time they actually changed it up on us. So we have a playset of the Wyvern, but not of the Send Off yet. Other than that, we have 4 Armory Calls now. Alright, let's get to these packs now. Yeah, 4 to the front, because we never front. Mandarin, Ghouls, Beast, Spiral, Double Banking, Old Man, Spiral Galaxy, Protocol Gardener, and our foil is a Congrate. Just great. Yeah, that's what we were looking for. Yay. Alright, let's keep going. Winds, Assembly, or Reassembly, Legacy, Escape, Burning Star, Run, Sea Angel, Bye Bye Damage, and Arrow, Aroma Seraphy Sweet Margarine. Huh. Never actually seen that card. Yep. Let me make sure. Dreammere Oneiromancy. Oneiromancy. I don't know how I'll pronounce that word. Oh, shit. Fix that up. Spiral Dragon, Beast, Locust, Collider, Chaos, Armor Dragon, Chamber, and our foil is another Mirror Foe. That was all of the first box on the left side. On to the second. And the two promos are Send Off and Shogun this time. So they flipped the switch on us, with at least the back anyways. With the links anyways. Alright, first pack. Let's see what we got here. Yep. Sagittarius, World Key, Battle Ocean, Wonderheart, Plane, Double Banking, Old Man, Spiral Galaxy, and our foil is Phantasms. Wait, what am I doing? That goes off to that pile, and these go right here still. Yeah, that's nice. Gladiator, Beast United, Crown Tail, Legacy, Ghouls, Beast, Sea Angel, Bye Bye, Gardna, and our foil is Peaceful Burial. Last pack. Come on, let's finally be a Starlight, baby. Come on, Starlight, Starlight. We really want that Starlight. Overburst, Locust, Alone, Full Turn, Gardna, Sea Angel, Volatile, Crusher Run, and our foil is a Mirror Friend. 3 supers from those 3 packs. Not what we wanted. Come on, we just want those. One of the 4 Starlights. Come on, Starlight, Starlight, Starlight. Do you like what we did with the Ghost Rare? Oh yeah, minor spoiler if you haven't watched the Ghost from the Past opening yet. I did pull a Ghost Rare. And that was by doing the manifestation stuff. Put it out in the world and it comes true. Oh, that's what they say. Hopefully it's true, because we want that Starlight. Our 2 promos are Send Off and Wavering. Come on, Starlight, Starlight. Last time it worked for us. Come on, work again this time. Starlight. Come on, get that Starlight, Starlight, Starlight. Please let that be a Starlight at the end. Now at the end, let it be a Starlight, Nebula, Namasha, Marjoram, Locust, Levy, Collider, Chaos, Armor Dragon, and it's a Hypnagogia, not a Starlight. God damn it. Alright, come on, Starlight, Starlight, Starlight. Just show up and make this whole pack opening worth it. Not just for me, but for everyone that's watching. We want that Starlight, don't we, people? People, drop it in the comments. Give me your energy like I'm Goku asking for the Spirit Bomb. Entanglement, Beast, Spiral Dragon, Amblio, Barrel, Cascade, Watt Train, Comeback, and we got Gorgon, just not in the Starlight. We got it as its regular super rare. Come on. Now you just teasing us right now. They just teasing us, giving us one of the Starlights in its standard rarity. And who knows, maybe that's actually good luck and this will be the Starlight right here. Monster Express. Haven't seen that card yet. Snow. Or this one. Boompoling. Battle Ocean we've seen. Haven't seen Veil and X yet. Burning Greer we've seen. Burning Shell we've seen. And what is our foil? Come on. Oh wait, never mind. Not our foil yet. Sea Angel. Last one. Come on. Starlight, Starlight, Starlight. Nope. Another Wailing of Unchained Souls. Ultra. Come on. They teased us with that Gorgon. They have to give us the Starlight now. Giving us the Gorgon, but it's super rare. Rarity instead of the Starlight. Come on. Why you gotta tease us like that, Konami? Just give us that Starlight rare. I know you want to. We all do. Just give me the Starlight rare. Promos are Call and Battle Shogun. Put that in our ever-growing stack of commons and rare. All the bulk I have, you guys wouldn't believe it. Is not only do I have the bulk from all the packs I've opened on the videos for these, but also all the ones I opened over just last year and the remaining packs I opened this year too. Alright, there we go. Come on, give us the Starlight. Sagittarius, Crown Tail, Burning Star, Escape, Reassembly, Collider, Crusher Run, Sea Angel, and our foil is Evil Eye of Gorgon. Yeah. Really a super rare? Come on. Let's get that Starlight rare. Come on, Starlight, Starlight, Starlight. Come on, please. Starlight, that's what we want to see. We want to see the Starlight, not all these supers, ultras, secrets. We want that Starlight. Really? They gave us a Ruha in its regular rarity. They gave us Gorgon and a Ruha in their regular rarity instead of the Starlight. They really messing with us. That better mean we get a Starlight in this pack. Oh yeah. Bane, Battle Ocean, and Wonderheart. Burning Shell, Man Strong, Collider, and not yet. Crusher Run, and Draco Master Tenyi and Ultra. Tenyis are actually a pretty dope archetype that I actually really want to build after seeing them in the Yu-Gi-Oh! Manga OCG structures, which is actually more of a realistic take on Yu-Gi-Oh! Instead of the fantasy that the anime usually goes in. It's actually based on the OCG, not just fantasy style. They actually use like meta decks like Volks VW, Virtual World, Eldritch, what else was there? Thunder Dragons, Mathmex, Infernoble Knight. It's actually a really good manga. I've been reading it so far. I only got up to chapter 16 that I've been able to find so far. Alright, last pack right here. Let's hope that gets us the Starlight. Come on, Starlight, Starlight, Starlight. Solomon Great Transcendent. Barrel. Gardening. Battle Ocean. World Legacy. Bye-bye. Gardena. Spiral Galaxy. And our foil card is another Marjoram. Come on, we just want that Starlight. Last box. Let's hope in one of these last 3 packs that we pull a Starlight. That will be insane just to end on a Starlight. There are 3 packs right there. Promo. Alright. Let's see the promo. Send off and waiver. Alright. Now on to the pack. Come on, we want those Starlights. Come on, people drop stars in the comments for me so we can get those Starlights. Two, three, 4 to the front because we know front. Burning. Oh wait, that means the rear is right there. Drag, Nebula, Burning Star, Crown Tail, Legacy, Ghouls, Chamber, Brutal Dozer, and our foil is looking like it's... Oh no, wait, not yet. My bad. Man Strong, and our foil is... Come on, Starlight! Nope. Another Super Mirafo. Come on. Come on. Let's try to end it strong on that super... Or not super. We don't want supers anymore. We want the Starlights. Come on, Pete. Come on, Konami. Just give me that Starlight. You know you want to. Forward to the front because we never front. The one that I can't pronounce. Escape. World Key. Wonder Heart. Patrol Plane. Double Banking. Old Man. Spiral Galaxy. And Hypnagogia. Not looking good for us right now. Let's hope that we can end it on the Starlight right here for us. Not that just sucks. Come on. Knock on wood though. To hopefully dispel the bad luck. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Nope. That means Monster Express is our rare. Beast, Spiral Dragon, Amblio, World Key, Villanex, Laurel. We didn't get a Starlight, but we did get Starleech Seifert as our secret. Wow. We didn't get Starlight, we got Starleech. Wow, Konami. Alright. That looks like it's the end of this pack opening. But that's not the last of the Chaos Impact I have. I have another display box of the special edition that I was most likely going to be opening live on my Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, I'll leave a link in the description. So best believe you should follow me there if you want to see me try and pull a Starlight live this time instead of just watching me commenting in the video. You can comment live with me. React with me as well when we pull that Starlight on live Instagram. You know how it is. Alright. Time to sign out. Peace out, y'all. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see when all the latest videos drop. Peace.